Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW. The first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Now we can either go to menu or telephone. If we click telephone there, that brings up the screen. You've got Bluetooth menu, searching for connected devices, connect further devices in Bluetooth menu. Right, so Bluetooth menu. And here we go. You can either connect one that's already in the memory or add new device. We want to add a new device. BMW 21535 has already showed up. It's telling us that's the one there. Please use your Bluetooth devices. Start search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as. So we'll click on that. There we go. Pair 418241. Compare this number with the number displayed on the Bluetooth device, 418241. Click OK and click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Let's just find where it's gone to on. It's right at the top there and it's saying BMW 21535 connected. And here we go, we've got it connected for telephone and Bluetooth audio. You can untick either of those, just connect it as an audio device or telephone, but we want both, so accept and connect. And you see there, it's connected, my phone's connected.